Welcome back to Simasway. Today we're gonna make jelly roses. It's super easy with only 3 ingredients, 1-to-1 ratio. 1 cup of hot water, 1 pack of Jell-O, any flavor, and 1 cup of marshmallow. If the water is not boiling, make sure you put it in the microwave so that the marshmallow melts. Then you just mix it and then pour in a container. After a couple of hours, you cut the design that you want. If you do zigzag signs, then you can make rose shape. If you do straight, you can make pinwheel shapes. And after you cut them, you can decorate on top of cakes. You can serve it as is. I'm just going a little bit fancy and making it look like a restaurant style serving dessert. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.